Laminate flooring isn't just great looking and easy to care for. They are very durable and they are very easy to install. They can be installed right on top of your existing flooring without any hacking, saves you more time and gives you better value for your money. Firstly, the right tools need to be selected for the job. You will require a hammer, a saw or electric saw, a hammering block, a heel iron and some wooden wedges. You may also need an angle iron and a pencil or marker, a measurement ruler and a level meter to check the level of the subfloor. The floorboards should be left in their packaging for 2 days prior to installation in order for them to acclimatize to the room's temperature. The subfloor needs to be cleaned and leveled. Subfloors that are uneven should be leveled out before installation. A polythene sheet should be laid first. This acts as a moisture barrier and stretches up to 40 mm extra as a skirting around the walls. The sheets should be joined with adhesive tape with an overlapping of 200 mm at the joints. Following that, a suitable underlay is put on top of the polythene sheet and fastened with adhesive tape. Always start from the left-hand corner and allow an expansion gap of at least 10 mm between the panels and the wall. Use wooden spacers or offcuts from the floor panels to maintain the expansion gap. To put the second panel in place, join the width of the second panel with the width of the first panel. Push them firmly together before pushing them flat downwards. If necessary, gently tap the edge of the panel with a hammer to tighten the joining. At the end of the first row, mark and cut the last panel to fit into the remaining space. Cut the panel with its decor side facing upwards if using a hand saw, and facing downwards when using an electric saw. Fit the panel into place with the help of a heel iron. To start the second row, use a leftover piece of the last panel from the first row. For a better effect, the panel should be more than 200 mm. Otherwise, saw half off a new panel to begin the new row. Position the width of the subsequent panel with its tongue inserted into the groove of the first panel. Then push it firmly downwards so that it interlocks. For better results, use a hammer and a hammering block to gently tap the side of the panel to tighten the joining at the width and length. Repeat this procedure until the last row is completed. In order to shorten a door frame, place a board near the door frame. And then cut the required measurement of the frame. push the board underneath. Finally, remove all wooden spaces around the walls and fix the skirting to the wall with either nails or suitable fastening channels. Please remember that the skirting profiles should only be fixed to the walls and not fastened to the laminate flooring panels. In cases where the floor area is in excess of 12 meters in length and 8 meters in width, the flooring must be installed with an expansion gap. Door entrances also require an expansion gap, which will later be concealed with an appropriate profile. A wide range of profiles and complementing accessories are also available for providing solutions in different areas. With installation as simple as this, Stahlheim's laminate flooring is truly the better solution for your flooring needs.